Hello, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today we are working on a different car. Trying to get my head in the shot now. We've not worked on this car together before, so this will be the first time. So I'm going to turn you around and you're going to look at the other cars. So we're now looking this side. So underneath this rear seat bench, we're going to lift it up. Change the screen so you can see what I'm doing on the camera. Okay, so I'm quickly going to put you on this, put you down a minute. I'll move this bench out of the way. Okay, right, so what we're taking the bench out. So what we're going to be putting in is this vacuum pump. Now, I'll show you the differences of this pump in a minute. So you notice the two, between them, the two outlets on the top here. And you've got the 3-pin inlet just in there. And then that one is for the doors, that one, the circular one. So just underneath here, on these older Mercedes-Benz, you see this pump here. So we need to unplug this. It's quite tightly rammed in here. Especially doing it with one hand doesn't help. Here we go, it's out, it's free. Normally you would unplug the battery doing this because this is live, but luckily for me the battery is completely flat. And to test this I will need to jump start the car later on, so doing this isn't going to blow any fuses or short anything out. There we go, that's out. Now the differences between the two pumps, I shall show you. So ignore the colour of the base, that's irrelevant to the comparison. So if I show you the one here, so this is the pump what we see in the car. Notice how it's got the one outlet. So this pump has been replaced in some part of the car's life, and it's actually been replaced with the wrong one. So this pump here is the wrong one, the new one, this one is the correct one. So if you notice now you've only got the one outlet in there, and here you've got the 2-pin connector in there. But in this one, it's got the 3-pin connector, which is very important for a reason I should explain to you. Because when you lock the car, you've always got the power and the negative, no live all the time, so, and that 3-pin one just now is the doors. So once you trigger it, it locks the car. But obviously with this car, the reason why this pump is different is this car has a orthopaedic backrest, and it relies on air pressure from the vacuum pump to inflate and deflate the seats in the car, the front seats. So basically, where they've only got the 1-pin connector on it, and if you've got the 3-pin, one extra pin does, it switches the actuator inside. And the pump works on pressure, so once it reaches a certain pressure, it will either stop, it will stop, and it either empties the system, depending on where you're going, or pumps it up. But once you achieve the desired pressure, it will stop. So with that third pin there, the one in the middle, what that does is when the ignition is running, that changes the output of this pump, so it will switch from one output to the other one, and therefore it will keep the seat pumped up, as it always find the pressure. It'll pump up to a certain pressure, so you can always change and adjust the pressure in your seat. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the camera off a minute, quickly plug this in, and I shall be back when the car's about to be jump started. And you can see just here is the seat. So if I change this, in theory, I should feel the seat pad up. A bit shocked back actually, I do not. I'm going to turn this off a minute and see if I can get it working. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear this very well, but what I did wrong, it's very amateurish. I get it at the outlet to the wrong one. So instead of connecting the interlock into the two air outputs, where it switch around. Now it's working fine. So if you can, what I'll do, I'm going to push it up, system 1. And again, and all the way to 4, and I can feel the seat back inflating with air. Now I'm going to do the other one to E, moving to where the air is in the seat. And it changes from depending where you want air in the seat. So I'm going to pump that all the way up. You might hear that actually hissing. Put it all the way to A. Yeah, sure. I will give you a full tour of the car one day. But for now, it's nice. The seat, which I know. It is broken. I need to find a bracket for the car, but being as old as these cars are, they're not made anymore, and getting hold of them, it's very hard, given how rare the features in the car. So, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.